moethedriver. Dangerously undermedicated.
With used cars as low as $995, trucks as low as $1,995, or a new 2017 Jeep Renegade stock number N11383 for as low as $98 a month. This is it. Down payments as low as nada. That's Italian for nothing.
Wait, isn't that Spanish?
Sure it is. You see how agreeable I am? This is it. The big finish sale is here at Eddie's Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. The sale you've been waiting for, and I'm personally hosting. Put your smile on because I've given you way too much for your trade-in today. I'll make sure the numbers we give you on your next vehicle will put an even bigger smile on your face, because I'm Mr. Agreeable, and I don't want to earn your business this time around, but forever. Like I said, I'll be there personally working.
Why ever? Grab some at Spangles, because it just tastes better.
Right now, Wichita, you are running out of time. Supercar Guys is having their year-end savings event, and there's only a few days left. Wichita, listen, you can save thousands on a nicer, newer car, plus drive away with no money down and no payments for 90 days. We've got hundreds of certified pre-owned vehicles and the best financing options in town, period. There has never been a better time to buy. But don't delay. These deals are slowly ticking away. Tick-tock goes the clock on the biggest savings on everything in stock at the Supercar Guys year-end saving event. It's time to save thousands on a certified pre-owned car with no money down and no payments for 90 days. Stop by any of our 3 Wichita locations: East Side at 13th and Rock, West Side at Douglas and West, or South Side at Pawnee and Broadway. But you better hurry before time runs out.
Small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside the first night. I just wanted my name in the star. Now look at where we at, still growing up, still growing up. I will lay in my bed and dream about what I've become. Couldn't wait to get older, couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young. Those good old days.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. 'Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Wish I didn't think I had the answers. Wish I could drink all of that glass first. Wish I made it to homecoming. Got up the courage to ask her. Wish I would have gotten out of my shit. Wish I could have bought back the mission. Wish I would have about other people.
If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.